Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. And today we have a 2010 VE Commodore SV6 sedan, stock reference number 3433. This shape runs from the 8th month 2006 through to the 8th month 2010. It has an LLT 3.6 litre V6 Petrol SIDI engine, backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. LLT 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine. The bonnet appears to have no damage. Right headlight in good condition. Right fog light. It's got a tidy bumper cover with a little nudge bar. Radiator grille. Left headlight, black insert type. Left fog light. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch SV6 rims, alloys. Left front has an average tyre. Left power door mirror, colour coded. Left side skirts in good condition with no rash. Both left hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear, 18-inch factory alloy SV6 mag with an average tyre. Have the boot spoiler. It's got a quad exhaust system as well. Aftermarket, no doubt. Right rear, factory 18-inch alloy SV6 mag with an average tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right sill skirts in good condition too. Right power door mirror, colour coded. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 18-inch factory SV6 alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It has a black leather centre console lid. It's an automatic centre console, automatic gear shifter, factory Blaupunk CD player, heater controls, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunroof type, left sun visor in black, right sun visor in black, instrument cluster. The vehicle's only done 115,000 and it's got a tidy black leather 4-spoke steering wheel with cruise and audio. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.